Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is April Nicole and this is part 2 of my living room tour. So today I'm coming to you guys just to give you all details where I purchased my items and the cost of each item. So here you all see that I'm standing in front of this champagne colored accent chair. I actually picked up 2 of these chairs from Ross and they were $99. So I paired these 2 teal pillows from the At Home store for $14.99. And I will let you guys know that you will hear me say At Home, Burlington, and Ross quite a bit throughout this tour. Those are my 3 top favorite stores. And up above here, I have these 2 mirror sconces that are from the At Home store as well. They were $30. So here you all see these 2 gold floor lamps. I picked these up from Walmart for $8.95. Okay, let's talk about this mirror. So I've had quite a few questions about this mirror. Ladies, I picked this mirror up from Burlington around Christmas time and it was $80. Love this mirror. Down below, I have this white console table that was thrifted. I paid $15 for it at the thrift store. Love the detailing of this table. It's a mid-sized table, it's not as small. And here on top of the table, I have 2 candles that are from the At Home store. They were $7.99. Then in the center, I have this gold bowl. It's from the At Home store. It was $14.99. And then these assorted balls, they were $7.99, also from the At Home store. So down below at the bottom of the table, I have this gold basket. It's from the At Home store. It was $24.99. And I picked up these 2 throw blankets from the store in my area called Ollie's, and they were $9.99. Okay, guys, let's talk about my fireplace. So my fireplace is the perfect place. Like, I love how I have my fireplace decorated. So let's just go over each item that I have here. First, you guys see that I have my TV mounted. It's a 65-inch Vizio. It's from Walmart. I don't remember how much it was. Then here on the top of the mantle, I have 2 gold metal canisters. They are from the At Home store. They were $17.99. And then on these 2 white little podiums here that were gifted to me from my old job, they were originally brown and I painted them white. And I just paired these 2 gold metal decor pieces from the At Home store on top of them, and they were $14.99. So here beside these 2, I have these gold and teal vases. So these vases are from the At Home store. If you guys haven't saw my At Home haul, go ahead and check that haul out. I picked these vases up for $24.99, and I also paired these sticks from Michael's. They were $6.99 inside of the vases. And then here in the middle of my fireplace, I have this beautiful sculpture. So I paid $34.99 for the sculpture, and it's from the At Home store as well. Then also I have my Wi-Fi router and my little internet box. I believe that's what it's called. love my fireplace setup. If you guys have any questions or any comments, go ahead and list that down below. Be sure to subscribe to this video as well. Okay, so let's talk about this mirror. So this mirror is from the at-home store. Love the gold detailing, the gold trimming it has, and the neutral tone color. I paid $80 for this mirror. And I just paired this Faux plant here from the at-home store with this wicker basket. It was $24.99. All right, you guys, let's talk about my side tables. So my side tables were a DIY. They were brown. I painted them white. I also added these crystal knobs from Amazon. I picked up a pack of 24 for $14.99. And on top of the table, I have this mirror that I use as a coaster. It's from the Dollar Tree. It was $1. And then back here, I also have my little white and gold pineapple. It's my diffuser. It's from Walmart and it was $14.99. So on top of the table, I have this beautiful vase. It's from Burlington and I paid $24.99 for it. And then I placed these little sticks in here. They are also from Michael's. So my sofa is from our local furniture store. I paid $600 for the sofa. It's in the color dark gray. And then if you guys notice, these two outside pillows, the two white pillows, are from the at-home store. They were $24.99. These two gold shimmery pillows are also from the at-home store. They were $19.99. And then I also had this teal pillow from the at-home store that was $14.99. Okay guys, so many questions about these two mirrors as well. So these two mirrors are from Burlington. Yes, Burlington. And they were $80 a piece. So I also picked these mirrors up from Burlington around Christmas time as well. They're very heavy and I love them. Okay, you guys, so for my center table, it's also the matching as well. It was painted white. It was brown. I decided to keep it white. So on top of the table, I have these two teal candles. They are from the at-home store, and I paid $4.99 a piece for them. Then you guys notice on the other side of the table, I have these two mirrors that I use as coasters from the Dollar Tree. As said before, they were $1. And then I have this vase here that's from my local furniture store, and I paid $60 for it. So I also paired these two crystal knobs on the front of the table just to jazz the table up just a little bit, and as said before, they are from Amazon. So here you guys see my glasses on the table. And then I also have the matching side table with the crystal knobs, the mirror used as a coaster, and also the matching vase with the stems. Alright, you guys, so that includes part 2 of my living room tour. If you guys hadn't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Be sure to like this video, comment down below, and I will be back to you guys with another apartment tour. Thank you and have a blessed day.